In this video, I will show you how to set up a Venmo account. Let's get started. So this tutorial is going to work for both Android and iOS. Now, if you're on iOS, you want to go to the App Store. If you're on Android, you want to go to the Google Play Store, and all you need to do is search for Venmo. If you found the app, you'll need to install it. Once you have installed the app, go ahead and tap on Open. For now, I will show you how to do it on your laptop, but don't worry, it works the same as on your phone. Now, you're going to get two different options. You can either set up a personal account or a business account. We're just going to go with a personal account, and then click on where it says Sign Up. Next thing you want to do is add your phone number. Click on Send Code, and wait for a message with the code. When you've received the code, click on Submit Code to verify your phone number. Now what we need to do is fill in all the details in our account. After you've done that, we need to create a username. Doesn't really matter what it is, just pick whatever name you like. The next step is to enter in our email. And lastly, fill in a password as well. All you need to do here is confirm that you're at least 18 years old and then click on Next. Then, you need to agree to Venmo's user agreement and privacy policy and click on Agree. Now you're going to have the option to sync your phone contacts as well as sync your Facebook contacts. But if you don't want to do this, you can click on Skip for now. So by default, every Venmo account is set to public, which means that every payment you make can be seen by everyone. If you set this to friends only, that means that only your friends can see you making payments. So you can go ahead and change this in your settings. I'll show you how to do that in a second. All you need to do now is click on Done, and you can decide for yourself whether you want to allow notifications or not. With that being said, if you're still not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that and also click on the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Now, let's continue with the video. To modify your privacy settings, go down to the bottom right where you can see this little profile icon. Now you want to click on the settings button at the top right, then go to privacy, and here we can change our privacy settings. Let's go ahead and set our account to private, friends only if you want. Now you just want to click on change anyway. Once you're done, your Venmo account is already set up, but there is still one more thing you need to get out of the way, and that is linking a bank account. Luckily, it is not that difficult, and it can be done in a few minutes as long as you don't have to open a bank account as well. Here's how to do it. Let's go back to the main page. What you need to do now is look for the icon with 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner and click on it. Next, tap Transfer Balance. It will be found right at the top of the menu. You will have 2 different options when transferring your balance. You can either choose 1 to 3 business days or instant, depending on what you want. At the bottom of your screen, there will be a new menu popping up named Bank Verification. Here, you can choose between manual verification and instant verification. Manual verification may be necessary when you have a bank account with a much smaller bank or a local credit union. By choosing this option, you will have to provide your account number and your bank's routing number. Keep in mind that it may take up to 3 days for this method to be completed, but if you have an account with a major bank instead, you can go with instant verification. This way, you only have to sign in to your bank's platform and connect to Venmo. If you went with instant verification, tap Continue twice. This will allow you to acknowledge the fact that Venmo uses an outside application named Plaid to connect to the bank. From the listed banks, select the one you have your account with. If you don't see its name on the list, you can simply use the search bar. It is at the top of the screen, but if it doesn't pop up, return to the 3rd step and go with a manual verification instead. The last thing you need to do is provide your online banking credentials, as this will allow you to connect your bank account to Venmo. Move forward by following the on-screen instructions of the bank to verify your account. If you want to know how to surf the internet safely and for free, you should definitely check out this video I made. Also, if you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back here soon. But for now, I'm out. Peace!